Have you ever pondered what it would be like to awaken the financial genius within you? Imagine walking along a path and stumbling upon a treasure chest. Instead of golden jewels, you find a map to financial independence and success. Intriguing, isn't it? Picture this map as your journey to financial awakening. Your first step is understanding your thoughts. Thoughts are powerful. They can either propel you forward or hold you back. It's like walking with a heavy backpack. The limiting beliefs, fears, and blockages you carry can slow you down or even stop you from progressing. But what if you could lighten that load? This brings us to the second step: discovering your money record. It's like a song that plays on repeat in your mind, subtly influencing your financial decisions. The chorus goes something like, "Money doesn't grow on trees," or "Rich people are greedy." But what if you could change the tune?
The third step is learning the external laws or steps to manage finances better. It's like learning to read the map. You need to know how to navigate to reach your destination. You can't just wander around and hope to stumble upon a pot of gold. Now imagine if you could turn your active income, which requires you working 40 hours a week for 40 years, into passive income, which doesn't require you to work at all. That's step 4, creating passive income. It's like setting up a self-sustaining camp on your journey. The fifth step is to ensure a safe and free future. It's like storing up provisions for the rest of your journey. You don't want to run out of resources halfway through, do you? The sixth step is gaining knowledge that we were never taught in school or at home. It's like discovering hidden shortcuts on your map. And finally, step 7, answering questions. It's like sitting down, studying your map, and plotting your course. Because no journey is complete without a destination in mind. So, to summarize, unburden your mind, change your money record, learn to manage finances, create passive income, secure your future, educate yourself, and ask questions. These are the steps to awakening the financial genius within you. Because financial literacy and independence aren't just about money, they're about freedom. Freedom to live life on your terms, to make choices, and to shape your own future. Remember, the treasure isn't the end goal. The real treasure is the journey itself, the growth, the learning, and the independence. So, are you ready to embark on your journey to financial awakening? As we move ahead in our journey, we have a special treat for you. Mark your calendars for Saturday, April 2024. We have an exceptional opportunity to learn from a finance expert,
Mrs. Petro Žagar. She'll be joining us for the 158th Zoom meeting of the Happy Life Society Belis members, and she has a wealth of knowledge to share. Petra will delve into the power of our thoughts and how they shape our financial mindset. She'll explain the concept of a money record and will help us understand the external laws of finance. Petra will also guide us on how to transform active income into passive, ensuring a safe, secure future. This is going to be an enlightening session as Petra will share knowledge that is seldom taught in schools, rarely imparted at home, and often left for us to discover on our own. This is your chance to ask questions, clarify doubts, and gain insights from a finance expert. Don't miss out on this opportunity to further awaken your financial genius. Join us on Saturday, April 6, 2024, at 7 p.m. and take another significant step on your journey to financial awakening.